So the next step that's really important, once everything is grated, you want to take 1 egg, and you're just gonna use your fork, mix your egg with the water, and if you don't want the yolk, you can just do egg whites, but the whole egg. And then you take your basting brush, and you're just gonna take this egg wash, okay, that's all it's called, it's like an egg wash, and you're just gonna brush it on, make sure you're getting all the little nooks and crannies, okay, because this right here turns your bread a beautiful golden brown. If you have egg allergies, I don't know what you do. I mean, there's already egg in my bread. If it's something that you're like, how do I do an egg wash without using eggs because I'm allergic? Like my Italian bread recipe doesn't have any eggs in it, so but I do the wash just because that's what I find it gives the best, like, crisp, delicious crust. All right, and we use that cinnamon honey. Who remembers that we use that cinnamon honey on there? So what I'm gonna do, and I am gonna be trying to make this a gluten-free challah bread. Not today, because I'm, learning to take it easy. So what I'm gonna do is just take a little cinnamon, okay? Making sure I've opened it. And I'm just gonna shake it on the top. Not a lot, just a little. Holy cow. Oh, it's a brand new one. I have not popped the top yet. So I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little cinnamon because it's got that little bit of a cinnamon honey in there. Oh, that one's got a lot. All right. And then they just need to rise for a few minutes and they're gonna go in the oven. And I can't wait to see how they come out. So don't worry, come back. Keeping it real, cooking with Lisa, I'm gonna show you the bread when it comes out of the oven. So you know you're gonna wanna keep an eye on these reels today. So if you wanna know how good the bread is, I took it out of the pan, have it ready to deliver to people. I forgot to post taking it out because the kitchen smells so good. So here is like the finished loaf. This is the long one. And there are pieces missing because I'm like, I really need to taste it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Now, these liners, watch, go right into the soapy water. And because this didn't get dirty, I can put it right away. So good. So kudos to Utica Coffee for your cinnamon honey. Bomb diggity. I am out. I'm gonna go deliver some bread. Well, it's hot. Yeah, I'm keeping it real. Cooking with Lisa, right?